Campus renovation updates can often feel unclear or disconnected from daily student life. With Rendora's 3D avatars, progress becomes easy to visualize and follow, keeping everyone informed and engaged. Hello everyone, this is Facilities Manager Anna Carter with an important update on our campus redevelopment project. From September 5th to November 20th, we're upgrading key areas to create a more modern, student-focused environment. Renovations will impact Building A, the central library wing, and nearby walkways, with temporary access restrictions in place. To ensure continuity, classes and study spaces have been relocated to Building C and other designated areas across campus. Once completed, you'll enjoy a larger, modern cafeteria, expanded classrooms, and a fully equipped computer lab with advanced technology and high-speed systems. We're also introducing upgraded study zones, improved seating areas, and better collaborative spaces for students. Thank you for your patience as we build a smarter, more comfortable campus experience for everyone. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.